Bana bwe county eyo Amos Nyaribo nyarekobaga kulirangana chikobaga gusira abana bali bakurwa ase chinga chitalikoba chikwenyara ase chiward cyonse 20 ekigotoka ime county ya Nyamira gukwana litko lyalero ase skuru yabamura ase skuru yabamura ya Kizingo gose yegotoka ase nsemo elia ya Borabu ni Gonyaribo boigo anyarekobaga kogania abana abo abanyareko bagusirwa na omoroberio olwe scholarship ye county ya Nyamira abanyareko bakobeka omokia nigo omoroberio nyarete ko bagokora baleta bana bonse gwetane kimi isano na ibira bagenda ko bagusirwa amono omoroberio gwe scholarship korwa se county eyo ya Nyamira elyo kwanyorera amaigari igori chinchira abaranyareko bakorenda chimbwa cyabo nabo igo banyareko bakora bya ase chisemi cyabo no omoroberio go nyareko boikiraniwa amona abo bisa akorwa se sekta yechisemi ime county ya Nyamira bunago tumanye muri kyo ito Paul Cup okara
ukwana busyo bwaboroki gwabo konye bagendreta muno musengerekano y'uboko y'gwa basemya abole gwetanya chimisano nebere kurwase chiwadi aho ime county ya Nyamira mogeni omunene bwelituko moske Amos Nyaribo uyure umugabana we county ya Nyamira nigo aherere kikiretera bwe komanyene go chakyo muroberio yo.
We started this program with the late governor, not scholarship. We started bursary as soon as we entered office in 2013 because we realized even if it's a national government function, but we realize some of our people are very poor. And it's our responsibility as the county government to make sure that we improve education standards in our county.
Nyaribo nigasemiri aboroki wabo kwene kibuna nkubwate bale alionzi bagendre ko bagasomi wasamatukayiga akoba ekyorokererie kiyago kya sabande miriye chiwadi cyabo.
This 4 day is meant to inspire you, motivate you and empower you.
Abare aokurwa se county ya Nyamira abo bekena sumusangerekano yubakura wamo n'umunyakiro bwe committee y'kisemya se county ya Nyamira Samuel Ogeto oyibigoro mu MC w'kinsamo kiri chamanga nigo batugyo mu ruberio yona kugania komento chinguru elyo wekera abange kurwa se ebinyoroime.
This is a noble idea, Your Excellency. We managed to go around the families. Some of them were horrible. You can't imagine this children's club going to secondary. Why not for you? And the good idea. So we are still requesting that we increase the number of students so that we can have about 300 and above by year.
Kwa hivyo sisi kama waheshimiwa kutoka bunge letu la Nyamira tuko nyuma yako. Mipango yote ambayo umeweka mbele ambayo tunaona inasaidia watu wetu tutaichukuma pamoja na wewe ili tuhakikishe ya kwamba mambo yote ya Nyamira yako sawa.
Thank you for this opportunity to these little citizens. We don't take it for granted because you have really touched life.
Ningana umugavana lire irangana kunyara kabuga kojementa chinguru elyo wekera abange abo batari kwenyara engana bwego yaye gukoboka muno mu county commissioner bwe county Nyamira Erastus Mbui.
Tutaba begeti n'ekimbwa kingiya abo bajiwo chenji bali bandi bakareka yali ntoraga achoboroso bwe county igem yana area always surely day twabareta batukata tane basomi uchimbwa hawa bakora sport basomi ure career and baba motivated.
Kwa hivyo tutaendelea kushirikiana ili kuhakikisha watoto
asinsemo yayo waziri w'ekisemi ye county ya Nyamira Emilio Ngaga nigo aorokyo mogoko yigoro y'umuruberio yo nakolia eiranga inse ya wizara y'ekisemi mbatukunyara kwa bagusira abana bali batari kwenyara elyo okine birengo by'ekisemi kurwa county ya Nyamira.
Your Excellency, I assure you that we have taught them, we have imparted on them, and they are ready to face the world.
Jingo ripoti Getasini kia wanjete kia Ndizi TV kurase skuri gaja bamura ya Senti Kizito inche igonguru kwa Polycarp Okara.